B2 Audio.
Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing where you get to see it, hear it before you buy it. This right here is from B2 Audio. Before I get going, start off with hitting that like button. Leave a comment. You can always leave one later on, and just help support the channel. If you're not a subscriber, hit subscribe or like and follow. We're talking about the DVPE212. So this is a prefab box built for B2 Audio Rave 12s, which are brand new product. The Rave 12 is a dual 4 ohm, 500 watt RMS subwoofer. Yes. Now, this box comes in at $399.95 shipped. As you can see, it's a really nice box with embroidering on top, beautiful port, just a nice box. Now, will this fit? Well, let's get some basic dimensions. You are 33.25, so 33.5 that way, right? The longest step at the bottom is right at 16.5, and up top is 14, okay? So this should fit most trunk applications. Now, what is in here? This is the Rave 12, which we have videos on, and we'll put a link up here. Dual 4 ohm. Now, we also made this where there is a terminal cup on both sides. Let me turn on the Big Jeff cam. You have a terminal cup here and a terminal cup here. Why? Well, it is wired 2 ohm per cup. Now, that'll allow you to either wire this to 1 ohm or 4 ohm. How do you do that? Well, being that this is 2 ohm and 2 ohm, if you connect positive, positive, negative, negative to your amplifier, you will drop down to 1 ohm. If you series the coils and then connect it, you raise it up to 4 ohm. So this will work with most applications. How much power do you need? Well, 500 watts per speaker, RMS. It means you need a 1,000 watt amp. Play this thing all day long. Very efficient. Now, if you haven't really seen the breakdown on the Rave 12, check out the video, but I'll get a little closer here. Let's turn on the Big Jeff cam. We have double stitching, red and white. We have a new U-shaped surround, and if you notice, this was designed for the Excursion to not come past this outer part, which is good, right? You don't have to worry about packages and things hitting on the cone. Beautifully carpeted box. It is smooth. Now the question is, hey, Big Jeff, it's 400 bucks shipped. What is it gonna do? Well, we hooked up some music, which is kind of hard in a video, but turn it up, put the earplugs in. Let me get this going here. Oh yeah. See these things moving? Great Excursion. We're in an open environment. It'll be that much better in a trunk. Let me change the track.
Yeah, Big Jeff Audio, where you go for big sound. Turn it up. Let's go. Roll up to the spot, let the speakers pound. Big
Get that
Jeff
side
Audio,
angle.
yeah, we shake the whole town.
Look at him sing.
On blast, got that B2 heat. When the bass line drop, man, and knock you off your feet. Wax tight, power right, volt.
Okay, so I got a 3,000 watt amp on here. Obviously, we're not giving it 3,000 watts, but if you get a true 1,000 watts to this box, it's gonna sound great. And for 400 bucks shipped, great setup. So the port length is 6.2 inches. Port area is 11.7 cubic inches. This box is tuned to 35 hertz, which is perfect. I know some people like it a little bit lower, but for prefab box to be tuned to 35 hertz, great. Sensitivity, when you have both these hooked up, is 91 dB. And just to recap, these are dual 4 ohm, 500 watt RMS, 2.5 inch voice coils, copper coils. So you get a good speaker. We sell the speakers for $99.95. So if you look at it this way, 200 bucks in speakers. That means you're paying 200 bucks for a nice prefab branded from B2 Audio ship. Not a bad deal. So these are available right now. We plan to bring a lot of these boxes in for people that want to be a part of the B2 Audio family, but don't have a huge wallet. You can get into a inexpensive amplifier, and if you want to match it right now, I would recommend the Riot 2500.1. Way more power than you need, but it's a nice amp, and that amp is in the 349 range. We do plan to come out with a budget style amp, drop that cost down a little bit, but I don't know. You figure 400 bucks here, 400 bucks with amp kit and everything else, you're 800 bucks, you got a nice full package kit. So this is the DVPE212 prefab box from B2 Audio in stock at bigjeffaudio.com or b2audiousa.com. Great setup. You know what? I think we might even give one of these away. So I want you in the comments to let us know who you are, where you're tuning in from, and that you want us to do a giveaway, and we will plan this very box to give it away to a lucky winner to spread the B2 Audio name.
You don't have to wait anymore. The giveaway video is in our channel right now. Just look for the video link in this video's description to participate. Good luck!
Hey, I'm Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com. Thanks again for supporting me, the channel, and all my employees. I'll see you on the next one.